Hey, welcome to another CAMFive embroidery Christmas tutorial by CAMFive EMB. In today's video we are making a cushion, but not just any embroidery cushion, but one using the applique technique to make a Christmas snowman. Take a look!
Let me show you step by step the embroidery applique technique with polyester felt, taking advantage of a laser cut on the fabric to get the perfect silhouettes. Let's start at the design program. Open Welcome. Use the run stitch first to trace the outlines, and then do it with the colored threads to avoid unnecessary jumps, so the embroidery turns to be fluid. This run stitch is the one we are going to use as a guideline to stick the fabric to the pillowcase in the right place. Then, we'll start with the zigzag stitch to fill out the outline with a thicker line for the applique fabric to stand still in the pillowcase. Convert your stitches into a vector to have the exact measurements in the laser cut. Prior to the embroidery work, I cut the fabric using the exact same design and measurements so that they fit. As I've already set the embroidery order in Welcome, I'll start the machine with the background snowflakes. Now it's time to outline the snowman to match the fabric in the right place to embroider. Pause the machine to stick the polyester felt to the pillowcase using spray glue for the fabric. We'll start in the order of the embroidery jumps. First, white fabric. Once the fabric is glued, we're going to continue with the stitch to embroider it, holding the fabric. Let's continue with the scarf and repeat the process. Stick the fabric and push start. The next shape to match is a hat, starting with the outline and repeating the process. Stick the fabric, start the machine, and let it finish. And that's it! We have a decorative holidays pillowcase to put on sale.
Thank you for watching this embroidery tutorial. If you have any question, please let them in the comments in the section below. Also, you can send us a DM, follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel. Merry Christmas!